Wait! Okay, don't skip this one. Something funny happened to me this morning.
This should be good.
Welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Ben.
And I'm Emma.
So, I was making coffee this morning, right? And while I was pouring the water, my phone rang.
Oh no, what happened?
I almost dropped everything, water everywhere.
Classic. That's actually a perfect story for today.
Really? Why?
Because that story is a perfect example of today's topic, past continuous.
Past continuous. I've heard people use it, but I always get a little confused.
Don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll feel really confident with it.
Okay, I trust you. If you haven't watched episodes 5, 6, and 7 yet, go check them out. We covered present, past, and future tense.
This one connects to all of them, but it has its own special job.
Okay, so what exactly is past continuous?
Simply put, it's for an action that was happening at a specific moment in the past.
Was happening, so the action was still going on?
Exactly. Like my example. If I say, I was pouring water, that means the action was in progress at that exact moment.
Oh, I get it. It's not finished yet. It's like in the middle of happening.
Yes, you got it already.
Okay, but how do we build it? What's the structure?
Really simple. Subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing.
Was, were. How do I know which one to use?
Easy trick. Use was with I, he, she, it. Use were with you, we, they.
So, like, I was cooking or they were playing.
Perfect examples. You're a natural already.
Can you give me a few more so I really get the feel of it?
Sure. She was reading a book. We were watching a movie. He was driving to work. They were waiting for the bus.
I noticed something. All of them describe an action that was continuing, like it was going on for some time.
Exactly. That's the whole heart of this tense. It shows an action in progress, not something that just happened quickly.
Let me try a few. I was walking to the store. My neighbor was washing his car. Our cat was sleeping on the sofa.
All three are perfect. You're building these naturally already.
Okay, let me try a sentence. Yesterday at 8, I was watch TV.
Almost. You forgot the ing. It should be, I was watching TV.
Oh, right. Was watching. I keep forgetting that part.
It's a very common mistake. Don't worry. Let's try again. What were you doing at 8 last night?
I was watching TV.
Perfect that time.
Okay, so when exactly do we use this tense? Just for describing what we were doing at a certain time?
That's one use, yes. A specific moment in the past. Like, at 8 last night, I was watching TV. Or, at noon yesterday, I was eating lunch.
Got it. What's another use?
This is the interesting part. We also use it when one action was happening and suddenly another action interrupted it.
Like two actions together?
Exactly. For example, I was cooking dinner when the phone rang.
Oh, so cooking was already happening and then boom, the phone interrupted it.
Exactly right.
Let me try. I was asleep when my alarm rang.
Close. Remember the ing. I was sleeping.
Right, sleeping. I was sleeping when my alarm rang.
Perfect. And here's something important. The interrupting action, the phone ringing, the alarm ringing, that part uses past simple, not past continuous.
Oh, so the phone rang is past simple, but I was cooking is past continuous.
Exactly. Past continuous for the background action, past simple for the sudden action.
That actually makes sense. One is the background and one just appears suddenly.
Perfectly said. Let's try one more. She was asleep when the alarm went off.
Wait, that's my sentence to fix, right?
Yes, go ahead.
She was sleeping when the alarm went off.
Excellent. You caught your own mistake pattern immediately.
One more. I was walk home when I saw my old friend.
Almost. Fix the verb.
I was walking home when I saw my old friend.
Perfect. You're doing this so naturally now.
I think I finally understand the difference now.
There's actually one more situation where we use this tense, when two actions were happening at the same time.
Both actions going on together?
Exactly. For example, while I was cooking, my sister was clean the house.
Wait, isn't that wrong? Shouldn't it be was cleaning?
Good catch. Yes, I made that mistake on purpose. It should be my sister was cleaning the house.
I caught a mistake from the teacher. That feels good.
It should. That means you're really learning the pattern, not just memorizing it.
Can we do more of these? Two actions together?
Sure. While I was reading, my roommate was cooking dinner.
While I was studying, my brother was play video games.
Almost. One more time.
While I was studying, my brother was playing video games.
Perfect. Notice we usually connect these with while.
So, while signals that two things are happening together.
Exactly. It's a really useful connector word for this tense.
Emma, are there certain words that usually go with this tense, like signal words?
Good question. Yes, there are a few words that often hint that past continuous is coming.
Like what?
Words like while, when, and phrases like at that time or at this moment yesterday.
So, if I hear while in a sentence, I should expect past continuous?
Most of the time, yes. For example, while I was walking home, I saw an old friend.
And when usually introduces the interrupting action, right?
Exactly, like when the phone rang.
Let me try building one with when. I was eating breakfast when my roommate walked in.
Perfect. Notice walked in is past simple, the sudden interruption.
What about at that time? How does that work?
You can use it like this. At that time yesterday, I was working at my desk.
At this time last night, I was watching a movie.
Excellent example.
I'm starting to connect the dots now. These signal words are like little hints for which tense to use.
Exactly. Once you notice them, the correct tense almost picks itself. Let's talk about common mistakes so you can avoid them.
Oh, I definitely made a few already today.
You did, but you're learning fast. The first common mistake, forgetting to add ing to the verb.
Like when I said I was watch TV instead of I was watching TV?
Exactly that mistake. Many learners forget the ing part, especially in fast conversation.
I'll try to remember it better now.
The second mistake, mixing up was and were. Some learners use were with singular subjects by mistake.
Like saying he were walking instead of he was walking?
Exactly right. Remember, was goes with I, he, she, it. Were goes with you, we, they.
Got it. What's another common mistake?
Some learners use past continuous for actions that are already completed with no interruption at all.
Wait, so they use it when they should actually use past simple?
Exactly. For example, saying, I was finishing my homework for a completed action is wrong. It should just be, I finished my homework.
Oh, I see the difference now. Past continuous is for actions in progress, not finished actions.
Exactly right. And one last mistake. Some learners forget was or were completely and just say the ing verb alone.
Like saying I cooking dinner instead of I was cooking dinner?
Yes, that's a mistake I hear a lot, especially from beginners. Always remember the helping verb was or were is necessary.
Got it. Never skip the helping verb.
Let's do a quick round. Fix this. She were cooking dinner.
She was cooking dinner.
I cooking when you called.
I was cooking when you called.
They was watching a movie.
They were watching a movie.
3 for 3. You're really getting the hang of this now, Ben.
Honestly, this episode is clearing up so much confusion for me.
I'm so happy to hear that. That's exactly our goal here. Let's practice with a real story. Let me tell you about last weekend.
Okay, I'm ready. I'll try to catch the pattern.
Last Saturday, I was walking in the park, just enjoying the fresh air. And while I was walking, it suddenly started raining.
Oh no, what did you do?
I didn't have an umbrella, so I just ran to the nearest coffee shop.
Classic rainy day story. Wait, I noticed something. I was walking is past continuous, and it started raining is past simple, right?
Yes, exactly. You're catching the pattern now.
That actually reminds me of something. Last month, I was driving to work, and while I was driving, my car suddenly made a strange noise.
Oh no, what happened next?
I quickly pulled over, and it turned out my tire was flat.
That's such a stressful moment. But guess what? You just used past continuous perfectly.
Wait, where?
I was driving to work is the background action, and my car made a strange noise is the interrupting action.
I did it without even realizing.
See? Once you understand the pattern, it comes naturally in your own stories.
Can I try telling a longer one?
Please.
Okay. Yesterday evening, I was washing the dishes, and while I was washing them, my sister called me. We were talking for a while, and while we were talking, I completely forgot the water was still running.
Oh no.
My kitchen floor was basically a small lake by the time I noticed.
That's a perfect, very Ben example of past continuous.
At least I used the grammar correctly, even if my kitchen didn't survive.
Let's do something fun. Everyone listening, imagine this scenario with us too.
Yes, try building your own sentence along with us.
Imagine you were at home last night, just relaxing on the sofa. You were watching your favorite show, feeling calm and comfortable.
Sounds nice already.
Suddenly, your phone rings. It's an unexpected call from an old friend.
So, in English, how would we describe that moment?
Try it, Ben.
I was watching TV when my phone rang.
Perfect. You just built a full past continuous sentence naturally.
I actually did it myself.
That's exactly how this tense works in real life, describing the background action and then something breaks in.
Let's do one more. Imagine you were walking home from work thinking about your day.
And suddenly, it started raining. Hard.
I was walking home when it started raining.
Perfect. One more. Imagine you were sleeping deeply at midnight.
And suddenly, a loud noise woke you up.
I was sleeping when a loud noise woke me up. Excellent. And for everyone listening, try this yourself. Think of a moment from yesterday, something that was happening and something that suddenly interrupted it. All right, quick quiz time. I'll give you a sentence and you fix it or complete it.
Okay, I'm ready.
Number 1. At this time yesterday, I blank to my hometown. Use travel.
I was traveling to my hometown.
Correct. Number 2. While she blank, her brother was playing video games. Use study.
While she was studying, her brother was playing video games.
Number 3. I blank when the alarm suddenly went off. Use sleep.
I was sleeping when the alarm suddenly went off.
Number 4. They blank dinner when the lights went out. Use eat.
They were eating dinner when the lights went out.
Number 5. Fix this one. He were driving when it started raining.
He was driving when it started raining.
5 out of 5. You just summarized all the uses of past continuous yourself.
I actually feel really confident now.
That's the whole point. Grammar isn't about memorizing rules. It's about feeling the pattern naturally.
I completely agree. This episode really helped me understand something that used to confuse me a lot.
I am so glad. And everyone listening, remember, practice makes it natural. Try using past continuous in your daily conversations today.
Maybe describe what you were doing at a certain time yesterday.
That's a great practice idea. Before we go, let's ask you something.
Yes, what were you doing at this exact time yesterday?
Write your answer in the comments using past continuous. We'd love to read your sentences.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. I'm Ben.
And I'm Emma.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep speaking.
I'll see you all in the next episode.
Bye for now.